Hello guys, welcome to Code Rage. In this video, I am going to teach you how to make website using HTML. Here we go. First I am going to open our notes. Here I go in my folder. I am going to open my HTML notes. Here is this notes. This is not this notes. This is the notes. Okay, project in HTML. We are going to build a project. So let's start it. First I'm going to open my VS Code. This is day 7, day7.html. This is the code. This is the website that I'm going to make in day 7. This is website over our channel. Okay. Let's make our website over our channel. Or simply let's make a only design. When we are learning CSS, I am going to tell you a good design. Okay, I wrote default code. Then here what I am writing, this is, let's make HTML website, HTML. Then here I am going to write what we say. First let me make nav bar. Let's use table. It can be. Okay, let's give body BG color. Let's give it as gray. Okay, then let's make a table. Inside table, table row, table heading. Okay, let's write. Let's make 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 and 5. Okay, in first one I am going to keep an anchor tag. Then image, then in image, we have one image, let's keep it here. And next in next one, anchor tag. In this anchor tag we can write as what we can write, home. Then in this anchor tag about in this anchor tag about then what we have, blog. Okay, blog. Then next is in next anchor tag, let's keep as contact us. Okay, contact us. Okay, these are the 3 pages. Let's make first page. When we click on this image, in index.html we should be, then width equal to 100%. Then let's check what is our output. Okay, what we are making is, let's see, this is the thing like this. Okay, then we can keep height. Okay, let's remove this and add one more page. Okay, I am removing this logo. Okay, okay, we had made this. Then let's add color. Okay, color to this. Okay, let's add red color. Okay, I am going to add color as red. BG color, BG color as red. Let's see this. Okay, let's keep this to the whole table. Background color for whole table. I am giving it here. And then Then let's keep height, let's keep it as 60 pixel. Mm, and then now let's add a banner. Okay, so for banner, let's take a image. Okay, banner. Okay, let's be right here. Banner image. Then let's take an image. Okay, let's keep this image for our banner. Let's search. Okay, let it be. We can search as a small banner, a banner image of HTML. Okay, let's see. Hero banner. This is a banner. Let's see for HTML. Okay, let's save this. Open image in new tab. This is that image. So let's download. So let's keep it in our folder. And this is our HTML. So let's write a banner. Okay, the image is saved. And then below here, I write image, then be banner.jpg. Then let's see how is our banner. Okay, let's set the width as 100%. Then it's 100% and height according to it. It will, according to you, you take a good image. Then then below that, let's add what we say, image and content. Okay, about us. So I keep a H1. I write here about us. Then I break even. Then align center. So I align this as center. Then I add a table row. Sorry, table row. Then in table row, table data. Two table data. Then in first table, sorry, I have to keep table header, then two table headers. In first table header, there will be an image, then image is like HTML dot PNG. Then let's keep the table width as 100%, width as 100%. Okay, then let's keep this inside table. Sorry, this I'll copy till here. Then I paste it here. Okay, and then in the second I am going to add a para. Okay, default para as lorem 250 words. Lorem 250 words. Okay, this is 250 words lorem. Then let's check how is our website. Okay, so this is this. Then next is let's keep as okay. Now bottom let's keep something like okay. Let's keep block. Okay, down one table, okay, table. Okay, let's keep one line here. Remove this one break. Below line one break, and then table. Let's give as width equal to. Okay, let's give 80% to all, not before one, and 80%, then align center. Okay, this I have done. Okay, this is looking like some good. And then next, okay, now I am doing what we say in this table. I align the center, and keep one table row. Then in that table header, sorry, okay, table row above the table header. Then here table header. Then Control V. Then in this we are going to give one iframe video. Okay. Then about this video, so in this one H1, let's align this center, this center. Then in this uh, let's write out channel name as rich. Let's keep this in H3. Okay, then this much I have done. Then let's take a iframe from our channel. Okay, let's take from the calculator which I have made. Okay, let's
Why do
then from here I copy this. Okay, let's keep it here. Then embed. Then let's copy. This was the smash. Then let's paste here. Okay, I have pasted here, and here I have pasted this video. Then I am going to write some 100 words over this video below this paragraph. Lorem 100 150 words. Okay, let's see this. Okay, this is also okay. Now one break line. Okay, let's break a line. 1 second. Okay, now let's break a line. Then let's create a line, then break a line. Now let's add a table table with the 100%, then width, then we are going to add color, bg color, then background color should be red, Then what we can do, then uh, table row, then add table heading, then let's keep this uh, empty, then let's add here what we say a para, a h3. In this let's write copyright, copyright 2025 by Godrej. Okay, this much I have written. Then let's keep full stop. Then let's align it left, align it left. Okay, okay, let it be. This is not aligning it left. Let's keep this colon. Okay, this is our website first page, and this much was for this video. Have a nice day. This was website using HTML. What I have teased. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.